Exercise 20. It's yet another exercise taken from my 7th set of exercises focused on the SAT. This one is focused on unit conversions. You should feel safe, however, to know that any unit conversion needed is always provided by College Board on the given context. So here we go. A running track has a perimeter of 1200 feet. Of the following, which is closest to the perimeter of the track in meters? So basically, we need to convert these 1200 of feet into meters. We need to see how many meters that length is. Even if we don't know the direct connection between feet and meters, the SAT, like I told you, will always provide that for us. And here we were told that 1 foot is the same as 0.3048 meters. So now that we have 1,200 feet, all that I need to do to convert it into meters would be to multiply that number by 0.3048 with the use of our calculator, or if you don't have a calculator, you can go to Desmos. It can be used to make operations. 3048, it's 365.76 meters, which is closest to 366, and that will make B the right answer here. I hope it helped. If it did, don't forget, like and subscribe this video and follow me on my site. As always, thank you for watching.